Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Genius. In today's session, we are taking Chapter 1 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 rentals. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exam or complete course. Here is project description. You can see here to project description to get idea about your project. Moving on step number one. Step number one is about Excel workbook. Excel workbook. You can download your Excel worksheet from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from IT Lab dashboard. You can see here I already download. Okay. Let's start this assignment to solve step by step. Okay, step number one is that apply the heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to G1. Basically in this step we will apply heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to G1. We will select this range and go to cell style. Here is heading 1 cell style. Okay, it will be applied. First step is done. Now moving to step number 2. Step number 2 is that apply the 20% asset 1 cell style to the range A2 to G2. And basically in this step we will apply 20% extend 1 cell style to the range A2 G2. First we will select this range. First we will select this range. Go to the cell style. Exit 1 20%. Okay, it will be blank. Two step is completed. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that merge and center a peak rental in the range E4 to G4. Basically in this step we will merge and center a peak rentals the range E4 to G4. First we will select this range. For merge and center, applying merge and center, it will be okay. It will be merge and center. Okay. 4 step is completed now. Moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that apply blue fill color and white background one font color to the E4. Apply blue fill color and white background one font to the E4. Go to the cell E4. Okay. Go to cell E4. Here is fill color for applying fill color. Blue fill color and background one font color. Here is font color. Here is font color. White background one font color. Okay, it will be blank. 5 step is completed now. Moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that center and wrap the headings on row 5. Center and wrap the heading on row 5. Okay, click on row 5. Center and wrap text. Okay. For applying center, here is alignment. Go to alignment and here is center. And for wrap text, we will go to home tab and applying wrap text. Okay, it will be blank. And now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that set the width of column D and F to 10.0. Select the range B6 to B8 and horizontally center the data. Okay, and basically in this step we will set the width of column D and F. Then select the range P6 and P8 and applying horizontally center. Okay, first we will select column D and F. Go to the Excel workbook, column D, and click on control. Right click on it, column weight, change the data. We will change the data 10.0. We will change this data 10.0. Okay, it will be changed, data will be changed. Now select this range and horizontally center the data. First we will select this range. Okay, go to the alignment and here is center, here is horizontally center, middle alignment. Oh, here is horizontally center, sorry. Okay, it will be blank. 7 step is completed. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that insert a new row above the one bedroom suite in cell A7. Tap Ocean View Studio in the cell B7. Tap 4 in cell C7. Tap 275 in cell E7. Tap 200. Okay. First we will insert a new row above one bedroom suite. Go to Excel workbook. Okay. It will be inserted a new row. Then it will be inserted a new row. Then in cell A7 tap Ocean View Studio. Go to Excel workbook. Is click on cell. Tap in formula bar. Okay. Ocean View Studio. Okay. Now go to the word instruction file. In cell B7 tab 4, in cell C7 tab 275. Okay, in cell B7 tab 4, in cell C7 tab 275. In cell B4 5 4 in C5 tab 275. Okay. Tab 275. B7 4 C7 tab 275. In cell in cell E7 tab 200. In cell E7, where is E7? E7 is that tab 200. Okay. 8th step of this assembly is completed. Now moving on step number 9. Step number 9 is about find all occurrence. Find all occurrence. Find occurrence of suite and replace them with occurrence of apartment. Okay, suite and replace them. First we select this suite. For find an occurrence, go to the find and select. First we will find, then we will replace with education apartment. Then replace them with the occurrence of apartment. Apartment. All done. We made 2 replacement. Okay. Close. It will be done. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that in cell D6 enter a formula that calculate the peak rental maximum revenue. Basically in this step we will enter in cell D6 we will enter a formula. Okay. In D6 calculate the peak rental very maximum revenue. B6 multiply by C6. Okay, it will be fine. Copy the range formula into in F6 in F6. Go to the okay, sorry. Now I have done 10 step. Now moving on step number 11. Step number 11 is that F6 enter in cell F6 enter a formula that calculate the off peak rental maximum revenue. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Really B6 multiply. Yes, here is fine. Okay, basically this step we will enter a formula cell F6 and enter formula F6 that calculate the off peak rental maximum revenue for off peak rental maximum value to multiplying the new units multiply by daily rates. Okay, it will be find maximum revenue. 11th step is completed. Now moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is that in cell G6 enter a formula that calculate the discount rate of peak value rental price per day. Here is okay. Basically, in this step we will enter a formula and cell G6 to calculate discount rate for off-peak rental price per day. Okay, go to the G6 is equal to yes, E6 daily rate divided by F6 divided by sorry daily rate divided by daily rate. Okay, it will be fine. Now moving on step number 13. Step number 13 is that copy the formula D7 D9. Copy the formula. I already done this step. Now moving on step number 14. Step number 14 is that format the range C6 to F9 and accounting number format. First we will select this range. Okay, now moving for accounting number format. Here is accounting number format. Now moving on step number 15. Step number 15 is that format the range G8 to G9 in percent style with 1 decimal places. First we will select this range. Basically in this step we will applying the percent style with 1 decimal places on the range G6 to G9. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. First we will select this range. Okay, go to the general. Here is go to the number group. Here is percentage style and 1 decimal places. Okay, here's 1 decimal place. 15 step is completed now. Moving on step number 16. Step number 16 is that apply blue accent 5 letter 80 fill color to the range E5 to E9. Click. First we select this range. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to fill color. Apply blue accent 5 letter 80. Fill color. Blue accent 5 letter 80. Okay, it will be done. Total step of this assignment is 24. I have done 16 step of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to deal for complete course, if you want to help in your assignments, your exams, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. You can contact me through WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and it's on my PC screen. Okay, I have done this courses, this assignment for many students. They all got A grade in their courses. You can contact me for your help. I will available 24 hours. Thank you so much by watching for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Best of luck.